What's up, guys? Welcome to TechTube HD, and today we have some unique thing to review. So this is a very small piece of technology which can save your life, and this is called pulse oximeter. I got this thing from Amazon. You can get this thing in any medical store or also on any e-commerce site. First, let's talk about the reason we are making this video, like always. So, my neighbor, or let's say the people staying right after my apartment or my room, they have 7 members in their family, and all the 7 are tested positive for COVID 19. And since then, we have started taking special care of ourselves, of others, and also of this thing that we are not going out. And whatever the reason is, even if it's important, we are just making sure that we are staying home. Now it's really up to you. You can go out and get infected by people, or just stay home and stay healthy with your family, stay safe. But talking practically, on the other hand, there are still chances you can get infected, whether it can be the products you order online or the groceries you go out for once a week or twice a week. Doesn't matter. You are still in the contact with those people from whom you are getting those stuffs. Now, according to the following cases coming out nowadays, people don't see any symptoms, but still they are tested positive for COVID, and still some of the people are dying with this COVID disease, even if they are not having these symptoms. And this can be due to the oxygen level in your body. And this is the best and the handy way that doctors prefer and they use to measure, to monitor oxygen saturation in your body. And this also shows the pulse rate. Now, you can't always call your doctor or stay on medications or go to checkup. So this is the handy thing that can help you to check yourself up with the pulse rate and the oxygen saturation in your body. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how to use this thing and how to power up this thing with those batteries. So let's get started. So this is the device, how it looks like inside the box. I don't have box with me right now because I have sanitized it and kept it aside. For now, let's talk about the device itself. You get only this thing inside the box. You don't get batteries. You have to buy it separately. And let me show you the battery compartment first. So this is the battery compartment, and they are Peony batteries rated at 1.5 volt each. That means this device needs 3 volts to power up. Now you get only one functional button here, which also works as a power button to turn it on, and also works as to rotate the screen. It rotates the screen in landscape or the portrait, and in all 4 directions. So now when you are not placing finger on that sensor, it says finger out. When you place finger inside and press this button, it really starts working within few seconds. And as you can see, the oxygen level it shows that is 97, and let me tell you, it should be between 95 to 100. Now, as everything looks fine, I'll just remove my finger. Now let's talk about the interface. Here you have this battery indicator, and here you have this display to display all the readings. And this is pretty much simple to use, as I showed you. And all you have to do is place your finger and press this once, so that it starts monitoring your pulse rate and your SpO2. And this is what you get for around 1100 to 1200 rupees. So this was pretty much it, guys. This was a short review on pulse oximeter, and if you want to know more about this, let me know in comment section. So you can get this thing in any medical store or online, and this thing is totally safe to use. Just make sure you are using it in perfect manner as I showed you, or you can also see more tutorials online in case if you want to know how to use this thing. And stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. And please share this video among your friends, your loved ones, your family members. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next one.